In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit shared documents in Dropbox. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just working with a friend on a single file, knowing exactly where to find your shared documents and how to edit them can save you a lot of time and confusion. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from the Dropbox home screen all the way to opening a specific shared document for editing. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Dropbox website. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account details. Once you're in, you'll land on your Dropbox home dashboard. This is your main hub, where you can see recent files, suggested content, and quick access areas. Take a second to let the page load fully so everything appears correctly. From your home dashboard, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options, like Home, All Files, and Others. In that list, click on Shared. This section is dedicated to content that you've shared with others or that others have shared with you, so it's the best place to manage collaborative documents. After clicking Shared on the left menu, you'll notice that the main area of the screen changes, and at the top you'll see different tabs. Make sure you're on the Shared tab, not just the overview. Go ahead and click on the Shared tab at the top. This filters the view, so you're only seeing shared content and not other types of activity. Next, look through the list of folders and files to find the specific shared folder you want to work in. The folder name in the example is File Requests, but in your case it might be a project name, a client name, or anything your team uses. Click directly on the folder name to open it. If you don't see it right away, you can scroll or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Once you've found the right folder, double-click the shared folder to open it fully. You should now see all the files and subfolders that have been shared within that space. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct folder so you don't edit the wrong document. Now, locate the specific document you want to edit. Move your mouse over that document and hover on it. When you hover, additional options will appear to the right of the file name, such as Open, Share, or More Actions. Look for the option that says Edit and click on Edit. Dropbox will then open the document in the appropriate editor, either directly in your browser or in a connected app, so you can start making your changes right away.